Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the Motorola to your computer with a proper data cable. This matters because some cables charge only and won't expose networking. Once connected, unlock the phone and keep the screen on so permissions appear. If a prompt asks to allow file transfer or USB accessories, choose the option that enables data. You do this now because the phone must present USB modes before Android exposes tethering. Make sure notifications are visible to accept any prompts. Next, go into Settings and navigate to Network and Internet or Connections depending on your model, because manufacturers vary. Tap Hotspot and Tethering and toggle USB tethering on. This switches the phone into a network interface mode that shares mobile data with the computer. On the PC, Windows or Mac OS should detect a new network adapter. If it doesn't, wait a few seconds and recheck the cable and USB port. You enable tethering here to create the actual link that carries internet traffic. Finally, confirm your computer can browse the web. If pages fail to load, toggle USB tethering off and on to reinitialize the connection. Make sure the phone has mobile data and isn't restricted by carrier settings, since some plans block tethering. If the PC still doesn't see a network, reboot both devices and try another USB port or cable. This often resolves driver or hardware handshake issues. Remember this tip: changing cables or ports fixes more problems than you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.